So model 3.10.4 is going to describe a sensitivity analysis of the NPV of a project that you've been working on since model 3.10.1. As I mentioned before, all it does is keep adding details to the basic model so you have a better picture of your project. Then in the end, let's say that you want to know what your possible NPVs are if your sales factors increase or decrease, or if your real cost of capital is higher than anticipated. Um, Instead of going through this whole table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, 25 times, you can go ahead and do a two-way data table that will give you your NPV for 25 different scenarios and see how robust your model is. So here I have it all set up. All these numbers are working, and all these numbers are correct, and they do match the textbook. And I have gone ahead and set up the formatting for the data table, right? Here are the unit cell scale factors that are going to be 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. And these refer to the variation of this unit cells factor here, right here. So what it's saying is that if instead of 100% we had 80%, we're going to get these values at these different costs of capital. And if you had not a 90%, we were going to get these different NPVs at these different cost of capitals. So we're going to go from 80% to 120. So we're hoping we're going to hit it at 100, but we are going to check out what the outputs would be if we had as little as 80% or as 20% sales factors. Same thing is going to be, we're going to vary these cost of capitals right here, and these refer to this real cost of capital right here. And we're going to say our estimation originally was at 11%, but we're going to see the difference in the different NPVs if it is actually less, like let's say 9%, or higher up to 17%. So what we're going to do, and what we did before with another data table, was use this cell, like the corner cell, as a reference to the actual outputs that we want to explore. So we're going to make this number equal to this net present value right here, which is B60. And we already had that, but I just showed you that that's what it refers to. And now we can practice the trace precedent, and I can just show that the arrow, that this is the precedent because it has the arrow from here to here. And then in order to make the data table, I'm going to select the whole thing and then go to what if analysis, and then go to data table. Now the row input cell, this is a row, correct? And these values refer to the scale factor, which we said before was this number right here. So row input cell is going to be this 100%. And then the column input cell refers to these numbers right here, which we said before refer to this 11% right here. Now we hit OK, and this beautiful table auto-populates, and then we can see what the different NPVs are if we vary the sales scale factor or the cost of capital. You can see that only from here up we have a positive NPV, and from here down it's negative. So I mean, obviously if our cost of capital is too high and we don't sell enough, we're going to lose money. But if our cost of capital is low, and we even lose if we sell even 90% of what we are hoping to sell, we still make money right here. Then that's it for this table. I'm gonna do it one more time, just because it took me a while to figure it out. So I'm thinking maybe it could be hard for you, maybe not, maybe I'm wrong. But I'm gonna do it one more time. Again, this cell refers to this cell right here. Now I'm gonna select the whole table, go to data, what if analysis, data table, row inputs, go back up here, and it's a unit cell scale factor, which is C6, and the input column input cell is the real cost of capital, which is C10 right here. Hit OK, and there you go. How cool is that? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.